how to change your Roblox password. So hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can change your Roblox password in under a minute. So for that, first head on to roblox.com/home, and this is the homepage of your Roblox account. Then from here, click onto the settings gear icon at the top right corner, and from here choose settings. Now once you're inside the settings, you can see this account info, and from here you will see your password. In order to change it, simply click onto this change button, and once you will do this, the first thing that you will need to do is enter your current password and then enter the new password and then confirm the new password and click onto this update button, and this particular operation will change or update your current password. If in case you ever forget your password, then you can go to the login page and try resetting your password by providing an OTP on either your email or your mobile number if you have provided. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.